Good morning. Welcome to second lecture of Python programming language. In this session, I am going to cover features of Python, IDLE and IDEs of Python. Features of Python. As we know that Python is a simple language, closer to English language with a very simple syntax. Python is readable. It's a very readable language, easy to learn. Python is easy to understand and easy to learn language. It is free, open source, redistributable. Python is free to download, use it, read its source code and modify it. This software can freely distribute copies. Python is considered as a free, libre, open source software which is called FLOSS. Python comes under high level language like C, C++, etc. Python is an interpreted language, means it executes the program from the source code. No need of compilation, no need of external linking and loading with libraries. Python is a platform independent language. Python programs can be developed and used on multiple operating system platforms like Linux, Windows, Macintosh, Solaris and many more. This makes it a cross-platform and portable language. Python is considered to be dynamically typed language. That is, there is no need to mention data type. Based on value assigned, it automatically sets it to data type. Python is embeddable. Python can be used within C or C++ program to give scripting capabilities for the program users. Large library support. The Python standard library is extensive. A few to mention are NumPy for numerical calculations, Pandas for data analytics, scikit-learn for machine learning, matplotlib for plotting, etc. So Python has large library support. Exception handling. Python supports exception handling, which helps to write less error-prone code and can test various cases which cause exceptions later on. Automatic memory management is another feature of Python. In Python, the memory is cleared and freed automatically. Advanced features supports several latest concepts like data science, software development tools, etc. So till now we have seen features of Python. Now we will see how to download Python and use in either IDLE environment or IDEs to write programs. So look here, from this official Python website you can download Python for Windows, Linux or any other version. So here it can be, from here it can be freely downloaded. And this is the site from where Python is to be downloaded. Next, coming to Python IDLE. Every Python installation comes with an integrated development and learning environment called IDLE or even IDE. While there are many IDEs for you to choose from like PyCharm, Spider, etc., Python IDLE is a very bare bones, which makes it the perfect tool for a beginning programmer. Python IDLE comes included in Python installations on Windows and Mac. For a Linux, it should be downloaded Python IDLE using Package Manager. Once installed, then Python IDLE can be used as an interactive interpreter or as a file editor. So you remember that whenever you are installing Python, IDLE is automatically installed, and for beginners of the programming language, this Python IDLE, default IDLE will be better to work with. Though there are many sophisticated IDEs available, that we will see further. And now this Python IDLE, which comes with the default, can be act as an interactive interpreter or as a file editor. Python ideally as an interactive interpreter. The best place to experiment with Python code is in the interactive interpreter. Otherwise, it can be called as a shell. The shell is a basic read, eval, print loop, REPL. It reads a Python statement, evaluates the result of that statement, and then prints the result on the screen. Then it loops back to read the next statement. This is how it works. The Python shell is an excellent place to experiment with small code snippets. The Python shell is accessed through the terminal or command line of the system through your PC, laptop, machine from the command line. I'll explain you in the next session how to write the simple commands in Python shell, that is IDLE. Workflow is simplified with Python IDLE, which will immediately start a Python shell when you open it. Python IDLE as a file editor. Python programs are files with the .py extension that contains lines of Python code. Python IDLE gives the ability to create, edit, save files with ease. Python IDLE also provides several useful features that are in professional IDEs like basic syntax highlighting, code completion, and auto indentation. Professional IDEs like PyCharm, Jupyter, Spyder, etc. are most robust pieces of software and they have a steep learning curve. If you are just beginning your Python programming journey, then Python IDLE is a great alternative. Integrated development environment for Python. It is a software application consisting of a cohesive unit of tools to simplify software development. IDEs include tools for editing, compiling, debugging, and deploying software. One point we should know that IDLE is the integrated development environment provided with Python. An IDE combines a program editor and a language environment as a convenience to the programmer. IDLE is used because it comes with Python and because it is not too complex for beginning programmers to use effectively. IDEs of Python. These you need to install again. Call it PyCharm, Spyder. Ideally it comes default in Python. Eric, Vim, Atom, Jupyter, Anaconda, PyDev, Thorny, etc. These are all considered to be some well-known IDEs of Python. These are the references. So, what you have learnt in this session are the features of Python, and then remember IDLE is default environment, which is shell, Python shell to write scripts. For beginning programmers, Python programmers, it will be better to go through IDLE. So tomorrow we will be starting commands in IDLE, Python IDLE, which is also called Python shell. Later on we will move on to either one of the IDEs which are available. Either we will take either PyCharm or Jupyter or Spyder. So, thank you. Take care.